Hi guys, join me guys. Thank you. Merry Christmas po sa lahat ng mga ka-Starmans po. I have often told you stories about the rain.
I live the life of winter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing your songs. Maybe you would say,
Come lay with me, love me, and I would sure stay. But I